This video compares TONEX and Boss IR-200 amp simulators. Choosing the right amp simulator can transform your guitar tone without complex setups. TONEX offers IR-driven modeling, while Boss IR-200 provides versatile hardware integration. TONEX and Boss IR-200 are both powerful amp simulators but differ fundamentally. TONEX is a software-based AR amp modeler, while Boss IR-200 is a hardware unit with built-in impulse responses and effects. Their core difference lies in software versus hardware approach. TONEX is an AI-powered amp simulator developed by IK Multimedia that uses machine learning to replicate the sound of classic and modern amplifiers. It works by analyzing real amp tones and recreating them digitally, allowing guitarists to access a wide variety of amp sounds through software. Users can load TONEX as a plugin in digital audio workstations or use it standalone, making it highly flexible. Its strengths include highly realistic tone reproduction, extensive amp and cab models, and customization options like mic placement and effects. However, TONEX requires a compatible computer or device and a learning curve to maximize its potential. It is ideal for home recording musicians, producers, and guitarists who want studio quality amp sounds without investing in physical amps. TONEX also benefits players looking for portability and seamless integration into digital workflows, offering a modern solution for amp simulation without hardware constraints. The Boss IR-200 is a hardware amp simulator and impulse response IR loader designed for guitarists seeking versatile tone shaping on stage or in the studio. It features a compact pedalboard-friendly design with onboard effects, amp modeling, and the ability to load custom IRs via USB. The IR-200 operates by processing your guitar signal through built-in amp models and impulse responses, delivering authentic amp tones without needing physical amplifiers. Its strengths include robust hardware reliability, intuitive controls, and compatibility with external IRs, making it ideal for live performance and recording. Limitations include the fixed processing power of hardware compared to software flexibility and the need to carry the unit physically. The IR-200 suits gigging guitarists and session players who prefer tactile control and consistent tone without relying on a computer. It also appeals to those who want quick setup and easy integration with pedals and mixers, offering a practical amp simulation solution with hardware durability. Comparing TONEX and Boss IR-200 highlights trade-offs between software and hardware amp simulation. TONEX excels in tonal variety and customization with AI-driven amp models, best for studio use and recording flexibility. It requires a computer and some technical setup, but offers unmatched sound quality and depth. Boss IR-200 provides hands-on control with a dedicated hardware unit, perfect for live players needing reliable, immediate tone shaping without a laptop. It supports custom IRs and onboard effects, but is limited by hardware processing power and less tonal variety than TONEX. For home musicians focused on detailed sound design, TONEX offers a modern, expansive palette. For touring or gigging guitarists prioritizing portability and simplicity, the IR-200 delivers consistent, ready-to-go tones. Both deliver high-quality amp simulation, but cater to different user preferences and environments. Choose TONEX if you want deep amp modeling, studio-grade tones, and flexibility within your digital setup, especially for recording and production environments. The Boss IR-200 is the better choice for guitarists needing a rugged, hardware-based amp simulator for live use and quick setups. Its tactile interface and reliable performance make it ideal for stage and session work where simplicity and durability matter most.